Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Discord Nitro with Apple gift card. So without wasting much time, let's dive right in. First, you have to go to your Apple store. Then at the top right corner, you will find a profile icon. Just simply click on it. And here you will find an option named Redeem Gift Card or Code. Click on it. Then you will find two options available. One is use camera and another is you can also enter your code manually. That means you can scan your gift card code by your camera, and also you can enter the code manually on Apple Store from your Apple gift card. This is the most important step in this process. You just need to enter the code perfectly without any mistakes for avoiding any type of issues or cancellation. After entering the code correctly, you just need to click on the redeem button at the top right corner. You can see here. If you are scanning the code from your Apple gift card, double check the details that are correct or not. Then you need to go to your Apple wallet or Apple account to check out the balance that you redeem from your Apple gift card. Check your balance that are correct as you redeem from your Apple gift card. For example, you purchased a $5 Apple gift card and you redeemed it on your Apple store, and then you will find in your Apple ID there are amount of $5 available for purchasing any subscription that are available on Apple Store. Now you just need to open your Discord app and you have to stay logged in your Discord app. If you're not logged in yet, then enter your credential and log into your account. Then click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. You can see I marked it. Just click here. Here you can see some settings and details about your profile. You can edit your profile from here. Right down of this edit option, you will find Get Nitro button available in your account settings. Just click on it. Discord Nitro is a paid premium version of Discord, and here you can find two paid Discord version. One is Nitro Basic and another is Nitro. Both are the premium version of Discord, and by purchasing this you can enjoy and experience some crucial and interesting features. Now grab your targeted subscription from here. If you want Nitro Basics, then click on Get Basics, or you just need Nitro, then click on Get Nitro button here. After clicking on this button, here you will find the two options available for you. One is yearly subscription and another is monthly subscription. Choose according to your needs. Then click on Purchase button here, the green button that I marked. Then after a short loading, App Store page will pop up here and you will find a button, a blue button that is for subscribe. You just need to click on the subscribe button and the amount of the subscription will be cut off from your main account that you have redeemed from your Apple gift card. There we have it. Now we can purchase Discord Nitro with Apple gift card. It's pretty simple, right? Hope you find this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Till then, goodbye.